In this video, we will show you how to fold and store your GREENWORKS lawnmower. This video can be followed for all GREENWORKS folding mowers. We will be featuring multiple models. Be advised, your folding mower may look slightly different. However, these instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Always remove the battery before storing your unit. You may skip to the chapter that is relevant to the mechanism on your product. Each side of the handle has a hole near the top. When pulled, they will release the handle so that it can be folded down for storage. At the same time, pull both handle release holes and fold the handle over the mower. Release the tabs and ensure it is locked in place. To store the unit vertically, lift the front of the mower so that the weight is resting on the bottom of the handles and the rear wheels. Pull the lower lock knobs on both sides to release the handles from the base of the unit. Fold the handle over the mower. Loosen the knobs on both sides of the middle handle and fold the upper section towards the back of the unit. Pull the lock knobs and position the handle so that the pins engage in the storage position. To store the unit vertically, lift the front of the mower so that the weight is resting on the rear brackets and the rear wheels. Unlock the lower cam locks. Pull the bottom end of the handle outwards to release them. Fold the handles over the mower. Unlock the cam locks on the middle handle and fold the upper handle into the body of the unit for compact storage. Loosen the lower handle knobs on both sides. Push the bottom ends of the handles inwards to release them from the lock pins on the brackets. To fold the upper handle in for compact storage, unlock the cam locks attaching the upper and lower handles. If the handles cannot be folded, loosen the cam locks and knob. Fold the handle over the mower. Push the bottom ends of the handle and ensure that the handle holes engage with the lock pins on the bracket in the storage position. Over time, grass can build up and affect the performance of the discharge functions. Before putting your lawnmower away for the season, we recommend thoroughly cleaning the unit with a damp cloth and wiping dry. Examine the machine for damaged, missing, or loose parts, such as screws, nuts, bolts, and knobs. Be sure to replace and/or tighten all necessary parts prior to your next use. When not in use, the unit should be stored indoors in a dry, locked location, out of the reach of children. To learn more about your unit, including assembly, operation, and maintenance, visit the GREENWORKS Tools YouTube channel. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS lawnmower will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.